Hey guys, I'm Mush from Beaverlab, and today I'm going to guide you through the setup and operations of the latest tech by Beaverlab Finder TW2 telescope. Finder TW2 comes with a carrying bag and a tripod is attached to it. Let's take it, let's extend each leg of the tripod and secure each of them properly. Next, let's take the scope. This is the scope. And put it on the tripod. This is how you do it. And here is a screw you need to use to attach it to the tripod securely. You tighten it, make sure it's safe. You take the handle. This is also you use to move the scope up and down. Next, we take the DS1 image collector. We take the cap and we attach it to the scope just like this. That's so easy. You can detach and attach to it very easily. You then turn the camera on and the view is ready. And you just need to focus on the object that you wanna watch, just like this. It also comes with the focal length reducer and a finder scope. Let's attach to the finder scope to the scope. You use finder scope to find the object much more easily, to direct the scope to the object that you want to view and find it much more easily. And the focal length reducer, it zooms out the image, so you have wider angle. You need to attach to the DS1, screw it, tighten, and attach to the scope again. This is it. Thank you everyone for choosing Beaverlab. I hope you will enjoy your journey through the stars with the Finder TW2.